We picked you mainly because you're a local vendor and you're a one-stop shop for us, from purchasing the equipment, design to start with, purchasing equipment, and then installation.
They were experienced working with HOAs, which have a multiple number of opinions, and also understood a budget.
Our playground equipment here was original from when the community was built back in the mid-90s. So it was in desperate need of repair, time to update. Our idea was to just totally rip out everything and start over with improved equipment, more playstations.
We had a very nice playground that was built in the early 90s. It aged not very gracefully.
It's a big amenity for our neighborhood. So other HOAs, it's an investment that will pay off over time. You guys have been top notch all the way, very responsive to any questions or needs we've had, and definitely would recommend it.